The experience thus far has been pretty good, and I've been introduced to the field of project finance. The first day, we went through the project finance fundamentals, which took us through, basically, just as the name implies, the project finance fundamentals. The second day, we went through the legal aspect of project finance, which was quite eye-opening. The last few days, the 4 days, we were hands-on with cases that deals with project finance. The cases were actually very pretty good, and they were very stimulating. We even need to revisit our Excel fundamentals and then to do some pretty accounting fundamentals. Well, I strongly believe the bootcamp, I can attest to you that it's pretty good. It will enhance your horizon and improve your service delivery at work.